Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn our 15th lesson, our body. In this lesson, we will learn about our body parts, their structure and function. Can you tell what are the children doing and which part of their body are they using? Here so many pictures are given and everyone is doing some activity. So here the boy is kicking the ball with the help of his leg. Here the girl wearing the hat with the help of a hand. Now one boy here is giving salute with the help of his hand. Now children, one girl is controlling traffic using her hand. Now this girl, what she is doing? She is giving injection by using her hands. And in this picture the boy is playing a role of bus conductor, and for that he is using hands to ring the bell. Can you tell? Point out the parts of the body named below. Now student, in your textbook the picture of boy is given and you have to point out the following part of the body: forehead, cheek, nose and ear, tummy, chest, arm, wrist, palm, thigh, knee and foot. Now student, our next topic is structure of the body. The head, torso, arm and legs are the main part of the body. Torso म्हणजे धड, head म्हणजे डोके. Arms and legs are the main part of the body. The head, arms and legs are joined to the torso. Head. The head is covered with hair. Below the forehead are two eyes with eyebrow and eyelashes. On the side are the ears. In front of the nose, below the nose is the mouth, and below that the chin. The part that joins the head to the torso is the neck. Now student, the next topic is torso. What is meant by torso? The chest, abdomen and back together make up the torso. हे पाहिजे तुम्हाला पिक्चर्स मध्ये दाखवलं आहे. चेस्ट, ॲब्डोमन आणि बॅक म्हणजे पाठीचा भाग मिळून टॉर्सो तयार होतो. त्याला आपण मराठीत काय म्हणतो? धड. द पार्ट वेअर द आर्म इज जॉईन टू द टॉर्सो इज कॉल्ड अ shoulder. The legs is joined to the torso at the hip joint. Now student, observe the picture given in your textbook. Firstly, we will learn about arm. Arm. The arm has three parts: upper arm, forearm and hand. The fingers are part of the hand. The upper arm and forearm are joined at the elbow. The forearm and hand are joined at the wrist. Then next is legs. The legs too has three parts: thigh, shank and foot. Toes are part of the foot. The thigh and shank are joined at the knee. The shank and foot are joined at the ankle. New terms. Organ. A part of the body that is used for a particular purpose. We use our legs for walking, so legs are organs. We use our ears for hearing, so ears are also our organs. External organs. Organs that are on the outside of our body. Legs, arm, ears and nose are our organs. They are on the outside of our body, hence they are our external organs. Can you tell how will you walk without bending your legs at the knee? म्हणजे तुम्हाला तुमचे पाय गुडघ्यात न वाकवता चालता येईल का? Can you comb your hair without bending your arm at the elbow? जी तुमचा हात तुम्हाला एल्बोमध्ये बेंड न करता केस विंचरता येतील का? Movements of the body. Try to bend a wooden stick. Can you do so? Why not? तुम्हाला जर एक वुडन स्टिक दिली आणि ती बेंड करायला लावली तर ती होईल का बेंड? आणि का होणार नाही? सपोज दॅट आवर लेग्स अँड आर्म ऑल्सो कुड नॉट बेंड. would we able to make movements? Some of our body parts can bend. That is why we are able to make movements. Which parts of our body can we bend? म्हणजे आपल्या बॉडीचे कोणते कोणते पार्ट्स आपण बेंड करू शकतो, म्हणजे वाकवू शकतो. ट्राय दिस. स्टँड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर अँड मूव युअर नेक ॲज शोन इन द पिक्चर. द नेक बेंड्स फॉरवर्ड ॲज वेल ॲज बॅकवर्ड. म्हणजे आपली मान आपण पुढेही वाकवू शकतो आणि मागच्या बाजूलाही वाकवू शकतो. इट टर्न्स लेफ्ट ऑर राईट. ती लेफ्ट बाजूला पण आपण टर्न करू शकतो आणि राईटला पण. इट ऑल्सो बेंड लेफ्ट ऑर राईट. आर्म्स. वी कॅन बेंड अवर आर्म्स ॲट द शोल्डर, एल्बो अँड रिस्ट. जे आपण आपला आर्म हा शोल्डरच्या इथं, एल्बो म्हणजे कोपर आणि रिस्ट म्हणजे जिथं आपण घड्याळ बांधतो ते मनगट, त्या ठिकाणी आपण काय करू शकतो, बेंड करू शकतो. द फिंगर्स ऑफ अवर हँड्स कॅन बेंड टू. दॅट इज व्हाय वी कॅन मेक अ फिस्ट. We can do many things with our hands. We use our hands to write and to pick up things. Mother shapes a laddu with her hands. Baby hold a rattle in her hand. Rattle म्हणजे खुळखुळा. लहान बाळ जे आहे तो त्याच्या हातामध्ये काय करतो, खुळखुळा होल्ड करतो म्हणजे पकडतो आहे. द नेक्स्ट इज द वेस्ट. वेस्ट म्हणजे काय, कंबर. We can bend our torso only at the waist. We can bend our torso only at the waist. आपण आपलं टॉर्सो जे धड आहे ते फक्त आपण आपल्या कमरेच्या इथूनच वाकवू शकतो. We can bend forward at the waist. That makes it easier for us to do many things. We can pick up things from the floor, tie our shoelace and play games too. Then next is legs. Our legs can bend at the hip joint, the knees and the ankles. Our toes too can bend, but not as much as our fingers. We use our legs too for several purposes. We use our legs to stand, we walk and run, we climb up and down stairs, we hop and jumps, we work some machines to using our legs. One task, many methods. Try this. One day you decided not to open your mouth at all to speak. So you have to talk only by signs and gesture. Gesture म्हणजे ॲक्शनने तुम्हाला सांगायचं. म्हणजे एक दिवस तुम्ही असं ठरवा की आपण बोलायचं नाही आणि सगळं काही आपण काय करू, ॲक्शनने सांगू, सायन्सने सांगू. You are asked, shall I live or wait? Your answer is wait. Observe the first picture. The girl signs to wait by using her hand. You are asked, how is the curry? Your answer is delicious. In the second picture, the boy is signing as delicious by using his hand and eyes. You are told the cat's not feeling well. Your answer is what happened to it? In the third picture, the girl signs for what happened by using her hand, finger and eyes. You are asked, how is the weather? Your answer is I am feeling very cold. The boy is signing for cold using his folded hands. We use our mouth to speak, but when playing this game, which part of your body did you use to make sign? Then we have used fingers, eyes, hands for making signs. What's the solution? You want a box from a very high shelf where your hands cannot reach. समजा बॉक्स आहे तो वरती उंच शेल्फवर ठेवलेला आहे आणि तुमचे हात तिथं पोचत नाही आहे. टू कॅरी आउट एनी टास्क वी कॅन चूज one from a number of methods of doing it. If we cannot use the usual method, you can get someone to help, or we can use some special device. Somebody may find it difficult to do something. We should then offer all possible helps. Use your brain power. What was the little boy able to do because I picked him up? I am unique. देअर आर काउंटलेस पीपल इन द वर्ल्ड. काउंटलेस म्हणजे आपल्याला मोजता न येण्यासारखे. बट ऑल ऑफ देम हॅव द सेम बॉडी पार्ट्स. प्रत्येकाचे बॉडी पार्ट्स कसे असतात? सेम असतात. इव्हन सो नो टू पर्सन आर एक्झॅक्टली अलाइक. म्हणजे दोन व्यक्ती एकमेकांसारखे दिसत नाहीत. दॅट इज बिकॉज each one has a different figure and form. There are differences in height and weight, hairline and the features of the फेस. म्हणजे प्रत्येक व्यक्तीमध्ये त्याच्या हाईटमध्ये आणि वेटमध्ये डिफरन्स असतो, त्याची हेअरलाईन्समध्ये डिफरन्स असतो, फीचर्स आर ऑफ द फेस. इन द होल वर्ल्ड ओनली यू लुक लाईक युअर सेल्फ. डिड यू नो धिस? पूर्ण वर्ल्डमध्ये तुम्ही फक्त स्वतःसारखे दिसतात. डू यू नो समटाईम ट्विन्स ब्रदर्स ऑर सिस्टर लुक एक्झॅक्टली अलाईक. ट्विन्स म्हणजे जुळे भाऊ किंवा बहीण जे असतात ते एकमेकांसारखे दिसतात. बट इव्हन बिटवीन देम देअर आर स्मॉल डिफरन्सेस. परंतु त्यांच्यामध्ये सुद्धा एक छोटासा असा डिफरन्स असतो. व्हॉट वी हॅव लर्न. हेड, torso, legs and arms are the main part of our body. Chest, abdomen and back together make up the torso. The head, legs and arms are joined to the torso. The part of the body that joins the head and the torso is the neck. The arms are joined to the torso at the shoulder and the legs at the hip joint. Our body parts can bend at certain places. That makes it possible for us to make different movements. Our body makes various movements with the help of the neck, arm, legs and waist. Always remember, our body helps us to do all our tasks. So we must take care of our body.